What's up guys? Today's video, super quick video, super simple. I'm just wrapping up most of the LED installs on this truck. Finally, truck being 2014 Ram 1500. I feel like I almost have to say this at this point, but double check your bulbs guys, because a lot of guys have been following along with all the bulbs I've been doing, and I'm of the presumption that when I tell you guys that, you know, this bulb worked, I'd at least, if you guys are going to attempt changing a bulb, I don't mean to insult anybody, but if you're going to attempt to change your bulb, guys, at least do the due diligence and double check that your year and spec of truck uses the same type of bulb that I spec in the description. So usually in the description I'll put a link to the bulb that I used and it'll say the bulb type. So double check your truck. You can go to Phillips, you can go to Sylvania. Both those two sites offer free checks where basically you can input your truck with the specifications and some options in there, and it'll tell you if it'll tell you the bulbs for your truck. So just double check that first guys. You guys can't blame it on me if I tell you guys these bulbs worked on my truck and then you guys just order them without looking at the bulb type. So I feel like it's a given, but I guess I kind of gotta just throw that out there. So I'm not hating, I'm just telling you guys, just double check first. So these ones, these are the 921 style. I'm gonna be putting these in the third brake light. I actually found these for about $10, so they're $2 cheaper than the ones that I used in the cargo, which are the same ones, the 921, but they look identical. It's just different manufacturer. So come in this funny little tiny box. This little cute packaging here, guys, but that's what they look like. Basically, you got your LEDs all the way around and your little chips on there that are supposed to be for the CANBUS compatible situation. So it's pretty simple. Let's fire these in, see how they look, and hopefully no errors or messages on the dash. Let's go ahead. Here we are at the back of the truck, 2 Phillips screws. Take this out. And once you have this whole assembly removed, you're going to just take the connector, turn it counterclockwise, and the bulb is going to be released like so, and then swap out the bulb. And you're going to have to double check your polarity on the bulb. So what I am doing is I'm taking this and I'm just letting it dangling here. I'm going to run inside the truck, hit the brake light, make sure this illuminates. If not, I'm going to have to flip it 180 degrees. So let's check that. Jump in here, hit the brake, and we have illumination back there. So obviously it works. Let's go ahead and button things up. So simple install. Put this in, turn it back clockwise, throw this back in here, reinstall your 2 Phillips screws. And we are done. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what this looks like at nighttime, and jump in the truck and hit the brake. And of course, the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and see if she decides to throw any errors or codes for us, which is our favorite thing on these Dodge Rams or Rams. Of course, I still have the service tire pressure system. I know, I should fix it, but I have not fixed it because I still need to go and get my sensors, and I don't trust anybody to touch these 24-inch rims in this area that I'm at right now. So let's go ahead and see if there's any messages. And the only message I have is service tire pressure system. So I think these might work, guys. I don't see any errors indicating, and we still have extremely bright lights in here in the cab at nighttime. But as always, guys, I'll keep you guys informed if this stuff changes. But it looks like usually these indications, these errors with the CANBUS system, they come up right away. Those bulbs that I just showed you guys, I'll put a link in the description. I think they're called, what the heck are they called? Rayhu. So these are Rayhus. 921 bulbs, and these ones are exactly the same as the other ones, those Flash Wolves ones, the 921s that I put in the cargo area. So the same ones, but just different packaging or label. I swear they come from the same place because they look identical. But those other ones, the cargo lights, haven't given me any issues, so I don't anticipate this third brake light one to be giving me any issues. But at least now we got all LEDs back there, so it should look good, and now it corresponds with my LED tail lights. But as always, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share this video if you think it'll help others or you enjoyed it. Always make sure if you're subscribed that you turn on that bell notification next to the subscribe button. That way you're notified on all these videos. I keep pumping out all these videos for you guys. I enjoy making them. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content that's coming. And I'm trying to get this truck wrapped up. So let me know what you guys think of this video. And if this is your first time stopping in, check out the other LED videos we've been doing, mods videos. We've almost covered every single bulb on this truck. So check that stuff out and let me know if there's any questions in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you, guys.